Are you searching for the best mid-drive motor? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mid-drive motor in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Tongsheng high-speed torque sensor. Ebike mid-drive motor, easy to install, suitable for most regular bikes. The maximum torque is about 80 Nm and the climbing ability is strong. Internal control axial torque sensor. Actual double-sided torque, small size, beautiful appearance, the weight of about 3.6 kilograms, comfortable ride, high efficiency, low battery consumption, and longer battery life, safe, reliable, and excellent performance, light and smart. 30% lighter than a 8-fun motor for almost the same power output. The torque sensor can accurately detect the force on your foot and convert it into kinetic energy in time, with excellent starting performance. Standard universal fits most standard bike with 68 to 73 mm bottom bracket, only fit for the bike with disc brake and chain drive system.